guess you guys are getting a video on this beautiful Friday. We're gonna try to get Rainey's car fixed, and I'm gonna just transition to the back. What is that? Oh, yeah, that's clean. Yeah, that's clean. Yeah, that is clean. Damn, I almost died. Check out JB Tune for all your clutch lines, E85, fuel kit, tuck, jam, and simplest. Link down below to get some swag in your engine bay, alright? You know what I'm saying? That's how we rocking out here. Jesus, so dusty. I need to go pick up some quick detailer, man. What y'all recommend? What do you guys recommend for a quick little detailer? You know what I'm saying? You got Griot's Garage, Adam's Polishers, who won't ever sponsor me, which doesn't make any sense because I can bring them so much business and stuff, but it's all good. But in all seriousness, what do you guys recommend for a quick little detailer slash washing your car and stuff like that? I'm starting investing into like stuff to do stuff myself, like a pressure washer and foam kit and all that stuff. I want to support that dude in blue and pick up his detail kit, so I think that's what I do, because I'm going to support those who don't support me, because that's usually how it happens in this YouTube thing. Oh, let's get that cold start. What my grandpa was talking about. Well, sadly, my car's battery is just destroyed. So, it's my duty to warranty it out. I have literally my whole entire car on warranty, so hey, I should be good. But then again, I think I already warranty out this battery because I had the same problem I had like 2 years ago with this battery, where like it just dies. And this guy was like, well, this is your last time you can get a free battery. I was like, free? Man, I paid about 300 bones for this, man. I gotta do something. Let's head up to AutoZone. If not AutoZone, then I go to O'Reilly and see what my dog Tuck can do for a battery. You know what I'm saying? Because times are hard out here, y'all feel me? I would be playing some Zosh radio right now since we're in a car that you can actually hear the radio, but I'm in my sister's whip and she ain't got no aux cord, and I don't want to hook up all the Bluetooth and stuff like that. But hey, the new 2015 Sonatas, I mean, they're not new, but they new to us, because you know, black folks got to be years late on stuff. But hey, this is oh damn, proving tough my ass. Dura trash. That's what it is, Dura trash. Garbage ass battery. But as I was saying, hey bro, this Sonata is clean, boy. You know what I'm saying? Well, oh, see, look at that, clean. Bam! Got my new battery, son. That's how I roll. Randy just told me on his way home. Now I'm gonna go home, well, to my sister's house, and have her drop me home, and then we're gonna head over to Randy's house and finally get his car working. His new fuel pressure regulator came in the mail today. My laptop's over there so we can check the Honda and make sure it's tuned in and erased and stuff like that. What else? I think that's pretty much all we have to do today. Oh, put on the new TPS sensor, because we think his is bad. So that's the plan, putos. Finna head over to my sister's crib. Gonna get things lit, eh? Get things popping, Holmes. Battery is in. Now it's time to crank it right on up. Good to go, boys. Good to go.
You do what you want when you pop. Yeah. You do what you want when you pop. You do what you want when you cut. You do what you want when you got it. Yeah. You do what you want when you pop. You do what you want when you got it. Yeah.
The inspirational Integra. It just sounds beautiful. But we are at Randy's cribbo. He's probably taking a dump. Knowing Randy, that's all he ever does. A walking shit basket. Just walk up in a crib like it's me. Pops!
You feel?
Yeah, I feel. That boy ready, boy. That boy got the Zosh MFG brand new fuel pressure regulator, only available at zoshmfg.com. Go get you one, man. I wonder how many people are gonna go to the website like, yo, Zosh, bro, where the regulator at, bro? Hey, one day I'm gonna have a performance shop called Zosh's Performance Shop. Sounds clean. Check me out, bro. I'm about to become a sneaker channel. Check me out. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind the ashiness of my leg, but hey, how I'm looking.
Ass, titties, ass and titties. Ass, titties, titties, ass and titties. Big booty bitches that's wearing guests. Come on, ho, let's go to the easy rest when I see ass.
And that boy Randy got the stadium light, boy. Where was this light when we needed it? I don't know. Ooh, damn, that's a nice. Ooh, bro, that's a clean backdrop right there. Hey, you look clean with the sun. Damn boy, clean. My boy Randy already starting, bro. 10 millimeters on the fuel pressure regulator. You got 2 of them. One on your left hand side, one on the right hand side next to the fuel gauge. And that's pretty much it. We take that out, put the new one in, and we'll see what happens, I guess. That's how them thugs walk, boy. Yee! New regulator's on. Let's see if we got 40 PSI of fuel pressure at the rail. We gonna do this at the rail. Oh, well, never mind.
How's the fuel pressure?
Your fuel pressure went back to 0. You got a leak somewhere, I think. So, it's been like an hour, I think, just about, and there's a lot of stuff going on right now. We can't get his car to properly idle. Rennie got my fuel pressure regulator in his car. I took his. Mine actually works still. Well, his regulator works on my car.
What?
Shit makes no sense. It don't, but he has fuel pressure with my fuel pressure regulator. With his brand new fuel pressure regulator, my car doesn't have pressure, but it's still, I can't explain it, but it worked. And now we just gotta go, look at that, now that's much better. Now I just gotta put the plugs in and then.
I lost my gap tool.
I told your ass, was that O'Reilly, right? I was like, Randy, just gap it while you're here. No, I got it at the house. I'm like, are you sure? I knowing damn well he ain't got it at the house.
Go.
Hey, bro, I don't know.
The last time I used it when we gapped for the track day, I did.
Yeah, and I gave you shit back. Just throw them and see if it crank. That's all we gotta do. Take them back out and re-gap them. Simple, bro. That's my nice thumbnail shot. Look sad. Nah, that shit look gay. Randy's car is working. All he needed was spark plugs. We did spark plugs and did change his TPS when we should have did the spark plugs first, which I told his ass. So yeah, what's good now? I'm gonna walk you shit, bitch. This whole time, all you needed was spark plugs. That boy ready, boy. I'm gonna get some gas now, and tomorrow we should hit the track. And then I can mop and wax your ass. I'm coming for you. Your ass about to be waxed by the Ass Waxer 3000. How'd the car drive?
Shit, drive. You drive pretty goddamn good.
All that boy needed was some damn spark plugs.
Shit dumb.
All you needed was spark plugs the whole time. That boy ready though. So come back to the video Sunday. Come back to the channel Sunday if you're new. You're gonna have our cars racing. Ooh, Christina looks good. Oh, that the. You think you gonna mob me? I'm gonna place a poll.
Probably gonna go to second gear.
Yo, driving here, I did like a little pull and I money shifted. Bro, I think hey. I'm gonna put a poll, Randy versus Zosh. Who's gonna win, Randy or me? Place polls and bets at...
Randy, nigga, y'all better put your money on me or y'all gonna lose.
He's ass. Yo, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Gotta make it short and quick so I can edit and upload before it gets like 3 o'clock in the morning. But thank God we finally got Randy's car ready. We will be at Straight and Made Safe tomorrow or today as you're watching this. So come to the track, come watch me and Randy race. Come say what up. Bring some Slim Jims, bro, because we get hungry. And Slim Jims, you know, saying you watch all the other YouTubers, they get monster, stuff that kill them. But Slim Jims, hey, bro, I need all the meat I can get. This nigga gay, man. This nigga gay. But thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, could you please, you know what I'm saying, let's give me an evil. Smack that like button for you, boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video, which would be Sunday, because I'm uploading this on a Saturday. So technically Saturday early morning. So Sunday, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Peace.